Think of cryptocurrency as a digital rulebook everyone agrees to follow. This is the software that keeps everything running smoothly. When everyone follows the same rules, the system is stable and secure. But what if some want to change the rules? That's where forks come in. A fork is like a split in the road. Some stick to the old rules, others follow new ones. This can create two separate blockchains, each with its own currency and community. Forks allow for experimentation and new ideas, but also mean the network divides. In contrast, an upgrade is more like a software update. Everyone moves forward together, fixing bugs or adding features without splitting the network. Upgrades are backward compatible, so the community stays united. Forks are about revolution. Upgrades are about evolution. Both are essential for the growth and health of digital currencies. They let communities adapt, innovate, and improve over time. Understanding these changes is key to understanding how cryptocurrencies evolve. Next, let's see why forks actually happen. Forks happen when the community can't agree on the project's direction. Disagreements over scalability, like how to handle more transactions, often spark forks. Sometimes it's about philosophy. Should crypto be fast and cheap or ultra-secure? Major events like hacks can also force a split. Ethereum's fork after the DAO hack is a famous example. Developers may fork to add new features if the community resists big changes. Forks let different visions compete, driving innovation. They're a powerful tool for change in open-source projects. The Bitcoin Cash fork is a classic example of a community split. By 2017, Bitcoin was slow and expensive due to its $1 block size. One group wanted to keep blocks small for security, another wanted bigger blocks for faster, cheaper payments. With no compromise, the big blockers created Bitcoin Cash by increasing the block size. Holders of Bitcoin got an equal amount of Bitcoin Cash at the split. Bitcoin continued as digital gold, while Bitcoin Cash aimed to be fast, low-fee money. This fork showed how decentralized communities resolve big disagreements. When consensus fails, the network can simply split. Upgrades are the quiet backbone of any crypto network. They fix bugs, patch security holes, and improve performance, just like updates on your phone. Security upgrades protect against new threats, keeping funds safe. Performance upgrades make transactions faster and cheaper. Major upgrades, like Ethereum's switch to proof of stake, can transform a network's future. Upgrades can also add new features, making the network more useful. Most upgrades are smooth and backward compatible, so the community moves forward together. They keep the network healthy and ready for the future. Forks and upgrades can impact users directly. During a fork, you might receive new coins, but there's risk, confusion, volatility, and technical issues can arise. Always use trusted wallets and exchanges to stay safe. Upgrades, on the other hand, are usually seamless. You just enjoy better speed, lower fees, or new features. Both forks and upgrades show the power of decentralized decision-making. They let communities adapt and compete, shaping the future of crypto. As a user, understanding these changes helps you navigate the evolving landscape. Crypto is always changing, and that's what makes it exciting.